Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I had to get a little grocery delivery to top up on some of the things that I needed because I'm actually going to be doing a little cook with me, which I'll be uploading another video of that, of my evening routine with the kids and things like that once I finish working. But instead of me just doing a grocery haul, I decided to go ahead before I put these items up and get into cleaning out this fridge, which was basically needed because we had pots and things like that in there that needed to be taken out. And this is basically what it's looking like. As you can see, it's not that bad, but could be a little bit more organized. So we're going to go ahead and get into that right now.
I would never ask you to give up things. I just wanna give you all I can. There's something but you, baby, and I can't get enough. There's something that you give me, and I can't get enough.
If you guys are new here, I want to definitely say thank you for watching my videos. Welcome to my channel, and I'd definitely love for you to be a new subscriber. So make sure you click on that link and also like this video. And for all of you that are coming back because you're already subscribed, I want to say thank you for coming back and watching my video and showing support for my channel.
For you, I'll be a different man. Ooh, yeah. This is where I'm meant to be. Ooh, yeah, ooh, yeah. So I wanna start illusion with you. Yeah, I wanna start illusion with you. This is where I'm meant to be. You show me the ropes, I hold you tightly. Never let you go or let you down. There's something but you, baby, and I can't get enough. There's something that you give me, and I can't get enough. Ooh, yeah. Don't tell me I don't stand a chance. 'Cause
And for those of you who are wondering why am I walking around with that shirt tucked into the other shirt, I basically had to co-wash my hair because I've been working out and things like that. And I am a natural girl, so I usually use my t-shirts to just dry my hair. My hair was still a little bit wet, so I wanted to make sure it soaked up some of the water. And I know it probably would have been a little bit easier maybe if I emptied out the entire fridge, but I decided to do it, section by section, just to make it a little bit easier for myself and not feel too overwhelmed.
I've been thinking about you. Oh yeah. Oh, there ain't no one else that does the things that you do to me. That's why I get nervous. I try to be cool, but you see me the right way. Oh, and I see you too. I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call.
And I am a newbie, so I was thinking, because I am trying to, you know, get my channel going and things like that, I'm thinking about possibly doing a little giveaway or something small, not too big, when I hit my first 100 subscribers. I think that would be great, just to show my support of you guys, you know, showing that love for my channel. So, you know, if I do decide to do that later on, I probably would post other videos about it, of different ideas and things like that that you guys think I could give away to you guys, for just, you know, showing that support and love for me. And I do appreciate you guys watching these videos. So and here I'm just lining the tray with a piece of paper towel. I actually like to do that in my trays, just to make sure if there's any type of spillage from anything, it's easier to clean up. And usually I don't have to have a bunch of gook at the bottom of the tray, so that's just something that I do to make it a little easier for myself.
I don't wanna push you farther away, no, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for? Are you up for? I wanna be together, be together. Babe, I want you. I'll be the one you trust. You never thought about it. Are you down for? Are you up for? I wanna be together. I wanna be together. Babe, I want you. I'll be the one you trust. You never thought about this to me. Drown yourself in the neon. You came to this place to hide away in the dark. You tell yourself you need to move on, but one night in the shadows can't ease your broken heart. They turn the volume up, you shut your mind. Wanna escape your thoughts for a little while, but when you close your eyes, I'm by your side. I'm by your side, right? You'll find me there dancing in the crowd. You tell yourself that it's over, but you see my face on
what I like to do while I'm going through the fridge is I also like to check the items to make sure there's nothing that has expired. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and get rid of those. If there's any type of containers that have just a little bit of food in there that really makes no sense of being in the fridge, I go ahead and dump those out to, you know, clear out the space.
Drown yourself in the smoke, babe. You came to this place to hide away for a while, but we both know that when it gets late, one You say you don't wanna be with me, but you miss me as soon as it's over. Your name lighting up the screen, but you never call when you're sober. You say you don't like the games, but you play me like there's no tomorrow. You should know that I'm fed up with your lies, so don't come closer. You know you hurt me bad.
In this middle drawer, what I like to do on the sides is I usually keep the kids snacks, any type of yogurts, juices, cheeses, anything that they need to get to. I like to leave it there so it's accessible to them. I meant to ask you guys, how often do you clean your fridge? Is it every 2 weeks? Is it once a month? Leave a comment below to let me know.
You say you don't wanna be a thing, but I'm not the one who's calling. I'm tired of waiting for you to change into someone who can love me. But you play me like there's no tomorrow. You should know that I'm fed up with your lies, so don't come closer. You know you hurt me bad and I have scars. I need some time to heal, so don't come over. Don't even bother calling, just get lost. I'm fine on my own, so don't even bother to come back, 'cause I ain't done. I'm fine on my own, and boy, your pretty little lies are getting old. All those late nights I waited for you, they're gone 'cause we are through. All those late nights I waited for you, they're gone 'cause we are through. Your lies are getting old, but I'm getting stronger. You think that my bed's getting cold, but it's feeling warm. Your lies are getting old, but I'm getting stronger. I'm getting stronger. 'Cause I'm fine on my own. So don't even bother to come back, 'cause I ain't done. I'm fine on my own. And boy, your pretty little lies are getting old. All those late nights I waited for you, they're gone 'cause we are through. All those late nights I waited for you, they're gone 'cause we are through. 'Cause we're through. Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I would get up again. I would get up again. Stronger than I ever been.
Okay guys, here is the finished product. Basically, the front of the fridge is clean. You can see that that sprayway got it nice and shiny, and I think it looks a lot better than it was looking before. I got rid of a lot of those styrofoam pots that were inside of there. Juices are organized. There were definitely some things in there that had to go in the garbage, so I went ahead and got rid of those, and it just looks a lot neater, a lot fresher. I'm really not sure sometimes how some of the food and things like that get stuck in the places that they get stuck in, but you know. And here you can see how I arranged the kids' drawer for them to get access to their snacks. And the freezer, actually, you can see I got that straightened out real nice. I'm not sure how long it's going to last. Probably be looking crazy again by tomorrow, but at least I feel good that I was able to clean it out and it's looking much better now.
Then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do.
Now I'm just going to go ahead and tidy up the sink, get rid of any of the dishes or cups that were left from this morning from the kids or anybody else, you know, before they left for the day to go to school. And then I'm going to go ahead and wipe down the counter and just put things away where they need to go. I'd like to thank you guys again for watching this video and staying to the end. And like I said before, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. I definitely would appreciate having you guys here. I share lifestyle, motherhood, you know, home decor, anything that I would love to share in my day-to-day. So that's basically what I'm sharing here with you guys. If you are a returning subscriber, again, thanks for watching. I love your support. And that's it, guys.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do.